guys, today I'm going to talk about how do websites make money. Here's a secret. Anytime a site gets traffic, that means it can make money. Anytime anyone gets traffic or attention, they can make money. This is why celebrities can run sponsored ads on their Instagrams, etc. That's why they can sell products and start selling e-commerce stuff. That's why they have merch, that's why they have makeup lines, etc. because they have attention. So when you have attention, you can always turn that into money. One of the most common and one of my favorite ways to monetize a website that has attention and traffic is to run ads on that website. As long as your website is getting traffic, running ads is a really great and viable monetization method. It's also really hands-off and you don't have to really manage customers or ship out products. So it's great for anyone who doesn't want to have to be head down in their business all the time, or if you don't want to outsource to someone else. So it's a great option for those who want a more hands-off approach. And one of my favorite things to do when I purchase a website is to find one that either is not running ads or doesn't have a good ad network, and then introduce ads into the monetization mix. It's also the first method I will run on a site that I either create or purchase, because it gives you a good revenue baseline and it gives you an idea of what's possible for the website. One example of just how switching an ad network can really increase revenue, and I've done this with 2 sites I've purchased, just by switching an ad network and maybe adding video ads or increasing ad placement. I've personally doubled a site revenue from $500 a month to $1,000 a month, and then in another case from $370 a month to $600 a month. And these were pretty much profit numbers because all I was paying for was hosting. Doing that alone can really add another revenue layer, and I've also added ads onto affiliate sites and other stuff, and now you're getting affiliate revenue plus the ad revenue, and they often don't take away from each other. So even if you're selling something on your site, you can still run ads and get a good ROI. Second monetization method I want to talk about is affiliate income. Affiliate income means you're promoting someone else's product or service on your own site, and you can do this through a tracking link or a specific code that is meant for you to use only, your subscribers or website visitors to use. And every time you make a sale for that other person using your tracking link or your affiliate code, you get a percentage of the sale. So it's a cool method where you don't have to deal with the hands-on aspect of running the business, shipping the products, dealing with customers, dealing with business and tax laws. Like, you just kind of sit there and you can monetize your site, you can make income, and you're helping someone else drive sales and traffic. So affiliate links are, and affiliate income is a great way to monetize your website, and there's so many options. Oftentimes you can reach out to a company even if they don't have an affiliate program, and they'll create one for you, or they'll do some type of tracking thing to get sales, because it's a great win for them. You can also go on sites like CJ.com and sign up for a ton of affiliate programs, or ClickBank. I've never personally had success with ClickBank, but I've had success with CJ, and even Amazon has an affiliate program. However, this is one of the risks of monetizing with an affiliate program. At any point, that affiliate can cut their percentage that they're paying you, which Amazon does on a regular basis. They can also just stop the program at any time, and they can either have poor tracking set up so you're not getting paid for everything, or they can lie about how much you're actually making them, and then you don't get paid either. It is a method, but all methods have their risks. Another way to monetize your website is you can sell physical products. You can also sell like digital and other type products. This is more hands-on than like an affiliate or ad monetization method, but often you can be making a lot more per visitor when you do it this way, because you'll be getting way more of the total profit of each sale. It's a great thing to try on a site, especially if you're looking to grow your revenue and profit on that site. You can sell any type of physical product, you can wholesale a product, you can create your own product, and then if you don't want to deal with a physical product or that type of hassle, you can actually sell a digital product or a digital course, and you can create one. You can create like an ebook, you can create a course, you can create even like a software type product, so that's another monetization method. And if you don't know how to build software, you can actually outsource that pretty easily. I've outsourced a software development project and app to Upwork before. You just have to be careful when you're choosing a freelancer. The first person I picked, they quoted $800 for the project, and that's why I chose them, because it was lower than any other bid. But they were actually running like a scam type thing where the first milestone you had to pay $400, and it was only like a product, like an image mock-up for the app, and then they kind of went out of touch. Upwork's not super helpful in these instances, and I still had to pay the $400, so I ended up losing that. A few months later, I rehired a 5-star, like hundreds of 5-star reviews, really good, top skill level, top price level expert, and he actually quoted the app for only $1,300. I hired him. He did an incredible job. I learned that then only to hire people with tons of 5-star reviews who are actually at the highest price level, because they can do more work in less time anyway. Then they don't want to ruin their reputation by doing a bad job for you, or just ghosting and not even doing the work. So you're more likely to get a good result. If you are hiring someone to outsource the work, on Upwork, choose someone with a lot of experience and 5-star reviews. There are so many variations and ways you can monetize your website. Comment below if I missed any, and what's your favorite way to monetize your site. I'll have a discussion with you guys in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos, or if you liked this video. And I'll talk to you guys next time.